There you go. Randy being a team player. Thanks, Randy. Alright, this is going to be for the 20 card ungraded hit random. Let's roll the dice to see how many times we can randomize it. 9 times. Guys, just to remind you, I'm going to randomize the names first. Then I'm going to randomize the card numbers. I have already randomized the stack of ungraded cards. And then we will begin. Alright. So 9 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, there it is. Okay, I'm going to put up here. And then next will be the card numbers. So let's do the card numbers now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 through 20, and now let's randomize that. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. The card numbers, and is associated with the following names. All right, so Chris. Let me just change the view here. Alright, so Chris, you'll be getting card number 7, which is in the stack. Mike, card 12. Chris, card 20. Sherry, card 10, and so on, all the way down to 20. Randy, you get the last card. Okay, let's begin. Alright, guys, here we go. Good luck. Let's have fun. Okay, let's flip this over so you guys can't see. Okay, this is actually too big. I'll get the little one. Right. Yeah, that's better. Okay, Chris, you're up first. Card number 7. You, my friend, are getting a 1952 Bowman Phil Rizzuto, card number 7 in the stack, as you can see. Oh snap, Randy. Let's find out what you get this time. There it is, 52 Bowman, Phil Rizzuto. Chris, nice hit. That's going out to you. Mike, you're up. Card number 12. Card number 12. You, my friend, are getting a second-year Robin Yount baseball card from the Brewers. Second year. Card number 316. Nice hit. Chris Roth. Card number 20. Well, that's easy. I can just go to the bottom here. You, my friend, are getting a 1969 Topps Luis Aparicio for the White Sox. Card number 20. There you go, Chris. Sherry. Da, da, da. Hope you're enjoying our show tonight. Your first card of the night, card number 10. You, Sherry, are getting a 1950, I believe it's a 58. Could be wrong. Johnny Padres, card number 10. I believe it's a 58. Randy, am I right? Yes, 58. Man, I'm good. Card number 10, Sherry. That's going out to you. Thank you, Randy. Sherry, next card up. Card number 6. Nice. There's your Roberto Clemente. It's 69. Clemente. Sherry, congrats. Going out to you. Mr. Roberto himself. Sorry, it's a little debris on there. Yeah, nice hit. Very nice. Going out to you, Sherry. Mike, you're up. Card number 8. Card number 8 is a 72 Topps Willie Mays card. There you go, buddy. Willie Mays for your collection. Card number 49. Card number 8. Next up, Sherry, you're up. Randy, you're after. Here we go, Sherry. Card number 14. You are getting a 52 Bowman Pee Wee Reese. 54 Bowman Pee Wee Reese. There you go. Randy. Joseph A. in the batter's box. Card number 19. That's easy. Randy, you're getting Duke Snider from a 61 Topps. Duke Snider. Card number 19. Man, he looks old in that picture. Whew. Gray hair now. Joseph A. Card number 16. Joseph A. You are getting the Sandy Koufax. The first Koufax out of the stack. This is 66. Yes, 66 Topps. Congrats, Joseph. Nice hit. Mike, card number 9. You, my friend, are getting a 73 Topps Rod Carew. 73 Topps Rod Carew. There you go. Next up, Marty. Card number 18. Let's see what you get, my friend. Forgot, it's the last card there. Nellie Fox. 62 Topps, Nellie Fox. Card number 18. There you go. Joseph A. Joseph A. Card number 5. Card number 5. A lot of the high numbers are gone already. Joseph A. You are getting the 62 Topps Mickey Mantle All-Star. Congrats. That is yours, my friend. Very nice. Very nice. Randy, you're up. Card number 4. Here comes the low numbers. You, my friend, are getting the 59 Topps Whitey Ford. Card number 4. There you go. He's a Yankee. Chris, card number 2. Right on top. You are getting a 57 Topps Early Win. Going out to you. Card number 40. Early Win. Randy, you're up. Let me just scroll down a little bit. There you go. Card 13. Let's see, Randy. This is your... Oh, yeah, one more after this. Okay. Gil Hodges has 63. Gil Hodges. Excuse me. Card 13. Sherry, your last card in the stack. Good luck. Card number 3. You are getting a 64 home run leaders with Killer Kilbrew, Boog Powell, and Mickey Mantle. Going out to you. Nice hit, Sherry. Very nice. Card number 3. There's Mickey. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you. Chris Roth, card number 1. Right off the top. There's my man, Mr. Cowboy himself, Roger Staubach. Card number 1. This is a 1978 Topps Roger Staubach. My man. Marty. Card 15. Marty, my friend, you are getting a 59 Topps Willie Mays card. There you go. Card number 15. Going out to you, Marty. Nice pull. Nice pull. Card number 50. Willie Mays. Going to Marty.
Very nice, Marty. Congrats.
Last 2 cards, guys. Joseph A. Card number 11. Here we go. Frankie Gifford. There it is. Frank. 58 Topps.
How crazy was it that on the other break, the last 2 cards, or 2 of the 3, were like the Jackie and the Mantle?
That was awesome.
That was nuts.
There you go, Joseph A. And Randy.
I think you do a good job with it.
Last card.
Ooh, that's one of the nicer cards.
Dodger Big 3.
Who got that?
With Sandy Koufax. Randy.
Congratulations, Randy.
There you go, buddy.
Randy always does very well in these. Yeah, that's a nice card.
Very nice. Card 17.
Very well centered.
Very nice.
Congratulations, guys.
Boom.
John, I think that Michael M. gets that because he spent $30 extra.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
yeah, he was asking about it. So
that's his card.
Cool.
And actually, if you want, I'll hook him up. I had another $100 special ready. He can choose between the 2.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
So whatever one he doesn't take will be the next $100 special.
Okay, so